Welcome to Elephas. In this video, I'll show you how to use the inbuilt offline models with Apple Notes. Open Elephas, go to Preferences, and click on Offline. Download the models you need, one embedding model for indexing and one chat model for conversations. Click Start to run the downloaded model. This will load it into memory. Click the plus icon to create a brain. Under Mode, select Offline. Then choose your embedding model and your chat model. Click Create Brain. Add your data, such as Apple Notes or files. Elephas will index them locally using your embedding model. Chat with your brain. All responses are generated by the offline chat model on your device. Go offline. Stay powerful. Try Elephas locally today.